In this experiment, we're going to demonstrate electrolysis, the use of electricity to force a chemical reaction. For this, we'll need a battery, an empty glass, some table salt, a small square of cardboard that is big enough to cover the glass without falling through, 2 iron nails, 2 lengths of copper wire with their ends stripped, and finally some water. First, take your table salt and add a teaspoon or so to your glass, and fill your glass up with water and give it a little stir to help dissolve your salt, like that. Now, take one of your iron nails, 1 length of wire, and wrap one end around the end of the nail, like that. And then do the same to the other nail using the other wire. So now I have my two nails connected to the wires. Now take your square of cardboard, punch a nail through, then punch your second nail through so that they're far enough apart that the nails aren't touching each other. You'll now want to place your cardboard over the glass so that the nails are below the surface of the water. And then finally, attach each end of the wires to the terminals on the battery. And take the second wire, attach it to the second terminal, like that. And now, if you look at your glass, well, in particular your nail, you'll see that one of the nails has a great deal of bubbles forming at it and rising to the surface. What we have done in this experiment is called electrolysis. We have forced a chemical reaction using the electricity from the battery. What is happening is that by passing electric current through the water, we're breaking up the water into its component elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Now, one water molecule is composed of 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen. The nail that we saw the bubbles forming at was releasing hydrogen, and because we saw so many of them, it was easier to see. Now, the other nail was releasing oxygen, but since there's not as much oxygen in each molecule of water, we didn't see as many bubbles.